Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and I'm here with another quick little tutorial video in which I'm going to walk you through how to change a forgotten password on Instagram. If you forgot your Instagram password, you can still change it without having to know your existing password, and I'm going to walk you through how. So without further ado, let's get started right away. First of all, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app over here. I'm not logged into an account right now because I need to get to the Instagram login screen. The very first thing you need to do is select Forgot Password, and then you'll see an option to find your account. Well, you could type in your username. If you don't remember your username, you could ask a friend to look up your username on Instagram to make absolutely sure you type it in properly. Or maybe you could type in your email or phone number here, which I am going to type in my email now, and then tap on the next button, and then I can select Send an Email, which will send an email with a 6-digit code. You can type that code in over here, and then hit Next here, and you'll be logged back in no time. Now, assuming you signed up using your email or link to your email to that account, which I have with just this account, you can log in using that method by following the steps I just demonstrated. Now, let me explain it to you in another way. If any of that doesn't work, let's just go to Settings and log out of this account. And what I've observed after supporting some users with all this is that if they managed to forget their password and couldn't reset it any other way, there is also a high possibility they logged in using Facebook. If so, you must also check the Facebook option to see if that would allow you to log in using Facebook. Another issue is that many users have included the symbol in their username. Never do that. It just needs to be your username. Plus, if you already have dashes or underscores, make sure they're properly implemented when you type them in. If one of those works for you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.